You're watching 10 Tampa Bay. It is Mental Health Awareness Month, and as we have been reporting here, there's been a huge increase in mental health issues among children, especially recently.
Well, now the University of South Florida has just received millions of dollars in grant money to help train dozens of students to become mental health professionals.
As 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser explains, what they learn could help thousands of children in local school districts and beyond.
The number of children experiencing mental health keeps increasing.
University of South Florida researchers just received a pair of grants, a little over $8 million to help train as many as 40 mental health professionals who'll be working with counselors and students in local school districts.
Once they graduate, they'll be prepared to provide services for children in school-age children.
Emerging from the pandemic, the CDC reports a surge in mental health issues among young people, changes students themselves are seeing in their peers.
I feel like a lot of people are more like they're not as willing to just talk to someone new.
People feeling alone, I guess, like they don't really have that many friends.
It's estimated in Florida there's one mental health counselor per 1,856 students, 3 times short of what's recommended. So part of the USF program also aims to help schools adopt a framework for mental health assessments, techniques to increase efficiency, like spotting issues earlier on when they're often easier to treat.
And it will take less time, perhaps, to help them recover, which means you can serve more children.
They will learn from each other of what's working or maybe what's not working or how we can do things differently or how what you're doing is really effective.
USF is already working with 3 local school districts and is talking with 2 more. The program, which ramps up this summer, is expected to last 5 years. And in exchange for tuition support, the grad students who participate must commit to working in our local schools for at least 4 years. In Tampa, Eric Glasser, 10 Tampa Bay.
And according to the U.S. Department of Education, nearly 70% of public schools report seeing a dramatic increase in demand for mental health services, but only about half of the schools report having the capacity to provide the needed mental health services to students.